everyone, so today we're going to be doing a little what I eat in a day video. I haven't actually done one of these videos in such a long time. I think the last time I did one was like July last year, so I thought now is the perfect time to do another what I eat in a day, because I love filming these videos and I love watching what other people eat in a day, so I thought I would do another one. Before we get into it, please remember to subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. I post weekly, so make sure you subscribe to stay updated and hit the bell if you want to stay notified on when I upload. So without further ado, let's get into it. So I'm just gonna go and make breakfast now. The time is about 9 o'clock. I am starving and this belly needs food, so I'm just gonna go and make some breakfast now. So now it's breakfast time, so I'm gonna have a bowl of crunchy nut, which is literally one of my favorite cereals. I love it so much. Not the healthiest, but it's amazing. And I'm gonna have a coffee. I'm gonna use my classic Nescafe Puerto Rico coffee, which is the greatest coffee on earth. It is insane, I love it. And I'm just gonna have some set honey in it as well, because I love a bit of sweetness with my coffee. Let's get making. So now it's about 12 o'clock and I'm gonna have some poached eggs. So I'm just using these free range eggs from Tesco, which I'm gonna put in these Costa cups to poach. You'll see what I do in a minute. But yeah, I'm having 2 poached eggs. I'm having this Hovis granary bread, which is really good. And I'm gonna have some spinach. I'm just gonna put that in the pan, fry it a bit, and it goes so well with the eggs. And I'm gonna have, if I can find it, some hollandaise sauce as well, because it just goes so well. And I think this is actually the lunch I had in my last what I eat for a day, but I just really fancy some more eggs, so that is what I'm gonna have. So let's get making, because I'm absolutely starving. So this is my finished lunch, which, oh, it looks so good. I'm so hungry. I cannot wait to eat this. It looks amazing. So obviously throughout the day, I'm drinking some water with my shitty old bottle that I have cleaned beforehand, just to say. But yeah, I'm drinking so much water because I literally inhale it pretty much. Like, I'm a massive water drinker and I just think it's so important for your health. I might have ordered a Reese's milkshake. Nick's ordered lunch from one of our favourite places in town. They do Reese's milkshakes, so I might have ordered that. Guess what's just arrived? Guess what's just arrived? Reese's peanut butter milkshake. It doesn't look like much. I realised that it looks a bit like ordinary, but honestly it tastes amazing. It's so good. I am so excited for another what I eat a day. We got Nick's one, which he's got his tuna baguette, haven't you, with your peppers and sweet corn and stuff, haven't you?
It's me.
Enjoying it?
Thanks, sis.
Right, so I'm gonna demolish this now because it looks so good and I need all the sugar I can because I'm so tired today. So we're gonna drink this. So the time is now about, I think it's like 3:30, or is it? I think it might be actually 4:20. I'm just gonna have a little snack It's just a really bad day of eating. It's terrible, but I'm gonna go in and have some Reese's peanut butter cups because I'm obsessed at the moment. I know it's not the healthiest, but you know, sometimes you just can't help yourself. So I'm gonna dig into these because they just look so good. So now the time is about 6:20 or something like that in the evening, and it's dinner time. So I'm gonna have this spinach and ricotta tortellini, which is delicious. It's so good and it's so quick as well. It only takes 5 minutes, which is incredible. And I'm gonna have this tomato and mascarpone pasta sauce. This will usually last me about 2 days because I split the portion size. I was gonna have something different for my dinner today. I was gonna have stuffed peppers, but I can't be bothered to make it, so this will have to do. Very excited. This is such a yummy dinner. So this is my meal. It looks like a pile of sick, but honestly, it's gonna be delicious. I'm very excited to get this down me. And it looks so good. Well, it doesn't look good. I mean, it's gonna taste good. So the time now is about 7 o'clock. I've just finished my dinner, which was so yummy. I'm so full now, like my tummy is so bloated. I'm probably not gonna be eating anything else today because I literally am so full and I don't think I can eat anything for like hours now. I'm well prepared for the evening. I think I'm gonna end this video here. Please remember to give me a like if you love this video because I would really love to know whether or not to keep doing these sorts of videos, or you know, if you're happy with my fashion content, then let me know as well because I want to do videos that you guys like and love, so let me know. And maybe comment what you've eaten today because I'd love to know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I make more content like this every single week. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on when I upload. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you next week. Bye guys.